section. In 3, 2, 1. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Again.
Bitter.
Let's go. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Finish it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Roslyn Adams. If you're seeing my face for the first time, welcome, especially to my space. I'm so happy to have you here. Okay, so this vlog is going to be an interesting one, trust me. It was my birthday weekend and I had so much fun, and I recorded some interesting part which I'm determined to show you guys in this vlog. And so my birthday this year fell on a Saturday, and I was born on a Saturday actually, so you see it's a very unique one. So I had fun, went for a Nigerian event. By the way, if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm from Nigeria, probably Nigerian product. So I also harvested, you remember that vegetable we planted together? I'm going to show you. It grew so well, and I harvested some, and of course made a very sumptuous vegetable soup and some other details in between. Come along. So now I'm trying to cook rice. So I've got my meat ready. I've added my spices, just going to mix together and then marinate it. How do I show you guys? So I've added the essentials, just trying to mix it together, and then I'll send it down to the oven. So come along. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? If you do not subscribe, you are wrong. Yeah, it's harvest time. So that's me. Yeah, that's me over there. Remember the vegetable we planted sometimes back? It has finally grown, and I've decided to harvest some to make some soup. So what I'm cutting here is the African spinach, also known as green. It's not the same type of spinach we know here in Europe. It's the African spinach called green. I think there's a particular name for it. I'm gonna find out. And just look at it. Look at how green and how fresh the leaf is. So here, ready to prepare the food. So like I said, I attended a food festival organized by the Midubet Association of Nigeria here in Calgary. I had a lot of fun. There were diverse food from different countries, different zones, different places to try out, and trust me, they all tasted nice. So I'm gonna be showing you some of the foods I tried out. We started with some local snacks like boiled granuts. This is tiger nuts, mixed with sugar, roasted. And look at these assorted snacks. There is Benny seed, I don't know what it's called, and lots more. And see my plate. I made sure to try out everything, both Asian dishes. Look at chicken. There's jollof rice. There's fried rice. There is I've forgotten that there is even pando. There's a lot. So aside the food, entertainment was not also left out. There were diverse, entertaining presentations.
A fireplace. Section. In 3, 2, 1. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Last time. In 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. All right. So I want you guys to give this room this.
How does it feel? Here's your prize. You deserve it. You deserve it.
And 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. And last time. In 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. And all right. So I want you guys to give this room